we're getting the opportunity to see them put a piece of the water slide in place from the crane. This has been about 2-3 weeks into the making, and this is how far they've gotten. As you can see, they're working on the ground. This is going to be something special when it's done. Now that road out there is 192. Very busy highway, the highway you have to take to get to Disney World. With the resort being way back there, this is the access road to the resort. Earlier in the video I showed you the access road into the shopping complex. This is going to be the road back to the resort. You can see the crane lowering that red piece up there down into place. See it moving? You can check out some other videos where I have this place being a flat piece of ground. Where they cleared it out. Then they started the resort on the back side with nothing up here in the front at all. And then I got another video as this progressed through time to be built. So check out some of my other videos of this resort in the making. A lot of construction going on still. I believe this is going to be a resort where you can come and stay on vacation, but you can also purchase a timeshare type resort. This location right here is about 10 to 15 minutes from Disney World. You can come here and stay and be at Disney World pretty quickly, depending on the traffic out on 192. Also in some other videos we'll be showing you a lot of Disney World. We go there often. Universal, Legoland, the beaches in Florida. We'll have a ton of videos of a lot of things we do in Florida. Our channel is created to help you guys when you come here, to see what's here before you get here, help you with some tips, ways to save some money, things to do and not to do. We will be 100% upfront. When we don't like something, we will let you know about it. Everybody has different tastes, but we like the warm weather, the sun. See that sun? That's us. And our channel was created just for you guys, so you guys can enjoy what we enjoy every day of the year here. If there's anything in particular you want us to video, picture, see, drop a comment below so we can understand what you're looking for. And if we're in that area, we can do it. After all, many of you are going to come here for vacation, and we want you to come here and have a good time, enjoy yourself, be able to see the things that you can't see in the limited time you're here on vacation. And that'll help you make a choice of where you want to go, things you want to see. We really enjoy Legoland, Universal, Disney World, the water parks. The new water park at Universal is awesome. This is the backside of the resort. I'm standing actually in the middle of the property. There's the resort back in the back. Shopping there. And then, of course, the new water park, which is going to be fabulous, because it's supposed to come clear back through here. Make sure you like, subscribe, drop some comments below. Let us know what you want to see. If you like our videos, we appreciate that. Share it with your friends, family, people you know is coming down here on vacation to Florida. We will be all over the state of Florida showing you different things that we do. After all, we are your friends from Florida. Today, it's a little bit on the windy side, but the sun's out. It's beautiful. This area is growing. For a while it seems like it wasn't, but now it seems to be growing. New hotels, new resorts. And a lot of people who don't stay in the Disney resort stay out here. And we want to show you where you can eat, where you can shop, where you can stay. On this channel, we're going to show you our favorite beaches. You can see the workers up on top of that plank putting the bolts in that water slide. That's a straight down water slide. I don't know what degree angle it is, but it's going to be one of those where you go in, you stand up, cross your arms, and you drop straight down. Never been to Disney World? You have a question? Send me a message or make a comment below. We are Disney crazy people. We go to Disney 2, 3, 4 times a week. Different parks every time. We do not live that far from Disney World. We know pretty much about everything about Disney World. What's going on. And we'd like to help people. Especially, we talk to people in line at Disney World to help them make sure that they're getting the best time of their life coming here. After all, most people here on average 3 to 4 days, and they ask us questions: what park to go to, where to eat, things like that. They also ask for the next trip down, where should they stay. You know, there's 4 Disney parks, and a lot of people pick certain ones. With all the changes coming to Disney World, Star Wars, all these things, don't plan too far ahead until you know what's going on, or do your research. The Star Wars land is coming along pretty good, and if you want to see something spectacular, that place will be amazing. A lot of new things going on at Disney World that you guys need to keep up with, and we're going to keep you up to date as our channel grows and let you know if all the changes come to Disney World. We've already got video, pictures of some of the construction that's going on. Just make sure you check into the rest of our channel to see the changes and upcoming changes. As things progress like this here, we will keep taking pictures and video to let you know when things are getting done, how soon they will be done, and what parks we suggest you go to. One thing we do suggest is if you have kids, young kids, Magic Kingdom is a must. We're willing to help you. We are a couple here. We love this area. We moved here 8 years ago, and from up north. So we've been up north and we've been here. So there's a lot of things that we can help you with, and we're willing to get video and pictures of places you want to see. So just drop us a message down below, make a comment or something, and we'll do the best we can to help you out as much as we can. Just make sure to like and subscribe and watch our other videos. There'll be a lot more coming out. This is a newer channel on YouTube. We're trying to be like nobody else. We want to cover everything as this being progressed. We want to help you. We want to make sure you come down and have a good time. We'll be doing a lot more on this area right here, Jimmy Buffett, Margaritaville on 192 in Kissimmee, Florida. As it keeps on progressing, we're going to come back and show you more videos of it. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it.